Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sales follow-ups with Pipedrive, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings section from the main dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the workflow automation option. Click on workflow automation to access the automation settings. Select create workflow to begin a new automation. Choose a name for your workflow that reflects its purpose. Define the trigger for your automation by selecting when a deal reaches a certain stage. Specify the stage that will activate the follow-up, such as proposal sent. Next, click on Add Action to determine what happens after the trigger. Select Send Email from the list of action options. Compose the email that will be sent as a follow-up. Make sure to personalize the email template using placeholders like contact name. You can also add conditions if you want to customize follow-ups based on deal attributes. Once your email is set, confirm the details by clicking Save. To add more steps, click on Add Action again for additional follow-up actions. Consider setting reminders to notify you for tasks associated with the follow-up. Review the settings of your workflow to ensure everything functions as intended. After confirming all details, click on Save Workflow to activate it. Return to the main dashboard and test the workflow with a sample deal. Check the email log to ensure follow-ups are being sent according to your specifications. Adjust the workflow settings if necessary for optimal performance. Regularly monitor the effectiveness of your automation and make improvements as needed. Once satisfied with the results, you're ready to fully implement your automated sales follow-ups with Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.